May I ask? Of course you can. I will go to the Karya Husada Hospital to visit my friends who is being treated. But I don't know the way to get there.
Then what can I do for you?
Please explain the direction to get there.
Oh, of course. Starting from here, take the right, then go straight and follow the road until you see cross after the Cikampek Traditional Market. The turn left, straight, and continue to follow the road. If you near the Saraswati Hospital, keep going straight until you meet Karya Husada Hospital. I on the left side of the road or across the mall near the road.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, you are welcome.
Excuse me, may I ask? Of course.
I will return home to Bandung. I want to ask the train. Where are the stations in this area?
Oh yeah, here is the Cikampek train station.
Can you explain to me the direction to go there?
Of course, start from here, take the right way, then continue until you see the bridge. Then pass the road under the bridge after the Cikampek Traditional Market. After that, pass the railroad tracks, after which the T-junction turns left. Next, try continue to follow the road. The Cikampek train station on the left side of the road, approximately 1 kilometer after Akma Clinic.
Oh yeah, thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Baby, I love you, I need you here with me all the time.